It's Battlebox time again. This is mission 74, and that's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. And as I said, it's time for another Battlebox video where we take a look every month at this Battlebox subscription box, see what's inside here, kind of develop a library so you can check it out and get an idea and at least examples of what you might could expect should you decide to explore the Battlebox subscription service further. Should you decide to do so, you can use the coupon code SURV10, I believe it is. It'll be in the video description below, and you can save 10% on your first order for Battlebox. So anyway, without any further ado, let's just take a look at it. This box, as you can see, is kind of small. I never know. Sometimes they're huge, sometimes they're tiny. Let's see what is in here. So, first, as usual, there's a mission brief that tells you everything that is in the Battlebox for this month. And just to be clear, there are 4 levels of Battlebox subscription. At every level you pay a little more money and you get a little more stuff. There's the basic, the advanced, the pro, and the pro plus. So let's just get started. Excuse me. So the very first level is the basic box. Let's just see what's in the basic box, and you'll have to look up Battlebox and see what the price is on these, because they keep changing and I don't want to put that on there and then they change and you'll be mad at me. You'll say, you said it was so and so, and it wasn't, it was so and so. So anyway, there we go. So the first item in the basic box is some new hemostatic gauze dressing, and this is kind of the same stuff as Quick Clot, basically that style. It's got some hemostatic impregnation in the gauze to help clot blood quickly and prevent bleeding. And this is a 2 4x4 inch hemostatic pads, so they are a very, very good thing to have. Very small. You can see this folds up, really compact, and but yet it'll help stop a major bleed. So that's a good deal. And the price on this is $25.95, so really good there. The next item kind of goes along with that is, let's see if I can find, oh, here it is. It's a Micromed skin closure device, and there's 2 of these in here, and I'm not going to open this because they're sterile. I'm going to put this in my med kit, but basically what it says is they are basically, they're an alternative to suture, staples, surgical glues, and adhesive strips for closing wounds. It uses a revolutionary micro-staple technology to anchor the device safely to the skin and protect the incision site afterwards. So it's easy to use, a little or no pain upon application, and eliminates requirement for local anesthesia. So it's just like putting a Band-Aid on with minimal training. So I'm going to look up a video on this and see how this works, but it's a pretty good deal there, and they're $21.99. So we're already at 40. What's that? 26 and 22. Always at 40. Already at $48 with 2 very, very important items here, because, man, I'm telling you, first aid and trauma care and medical is real, real important. I've got a trauma kit, medical trauma kit, on my ankle right now today, like I do every day, just because, right? So the next item is also something I've never seen before. It's pretty cool. It is Clean Your Teeth Anywhere. Powder activates without water. Vanilla mint, 15 single servings, and basically what it says you do, if you don't have to have any way to brush your teeth, you rip the pack open, you clean it, you swish it around your mouth for 60 seconds, and you spit it out. So, and this is veteran owned and operated, so that's pretty cool. 15 individual grill cleaning packages to battle the grime on your teeth or tooth if maybe you're a hockey player. So the price on this one is $14.99. And then finally, one more thing. This is always something that's really good to have. It's ReviveX Durable Water Repellent, and this is from the folks at GearAid. GearAid makes some really, really good gear stuff. I'm telling you what, we've looked at some of their stuff on the channel before. It really does good. It makes good stuff, and so this stuff you spray on to waterproof stuff, and it says it is PFOA and silicone free, so it's safe to use on all waterproof breathable fabrics, which some of these aren't. And this has a $17.30 value. So I'll let you do the math, but we're at $26 and $22 and $15 and $17.30. So that's somewhere around 48, 58, 63, it's about $80 or so if I'm doing math on camera in my head quickly. So that's the basic box. The next level is at the advanced box, and at the advanced box you get everything in the basic box plus some more stuff. The more stuff in this month's advanced box is a really cool Exotac Nano Striker XL, and this is a really, really nice little ferro rod made in the USA, made actually right here in Georgia. And you know I like Exotac. I've looked at a lot of their stuff. There's some really good folks there, and they make really good stuff. And this is the Nano Striker XL, which I'm happy to check out because I'm not a huge fan of the Nano Striker, just because the Striker is so little, it's really hard for me to get a hold of. So I think the XL might have a little more potential. I'm going to check this one out in another video, but the price on this is $29.95. That's the advanced box. The next level is the Pro box, and again, everything in the previous levels plus some more stuff. This month, there's some more stuff. It's pretty cool. It's one of those modern wallets, and this is the A10 Adapt wallet. It says aluminum chassis, rail system, mil-spec bolts, adapter compatible, RFID secured back. So let's just see how this thing is. So basically, it's one of those aluminum, really solid, minimalist wallets. So you can just slide your stuff in like there, your driver's license or whatever in, and then you've also got a side here to put cards in. So it's got all kinds of pocket adapters you can get for it as well to transfer it into something even cooler. So, and it comes with a nice little tin that you could also use to make a survival kit in, which I think is cool. So yeah, these wallets are real popular these days, and they're becoming more and more popular because they're very thin, very light, and also the RFID blocking is a really cool deal there too. So that's the A10 wallet. They're giving this a $79 value, and it is 100% made in the USA. Then finally, the last level, the most expensive level and the coolest level, I think, is the Pro Plus box, and the Pro Plus is sometimes called the Knife of the Month Club. Every month you'll get everything in the previous levels plus some kind of really cool knife or blade. This month, that knife is the Fox Edge Atrax, and it's designed by Dennis Simonutti, the man behind the Radius, which is Blade Show's 2019 overall knife of the year. Let's see, flipper. Oh my goodness, yeah, and it flips really smooth too. So this is pretty cool. Has a VG10 blade. Oh man, micarta handle with a little orange backer here, a tip-up pocket clip, and I'm trying to see if this thing has, I don't know if it's got, yeah, it's got ball bearings. Okay, ball bearings. I mean, golly, yeah, it is really very positive. Got a pretty cool look to it too. And shall we do the redneck sharp test? Why not? Let's do that. Well, I would give this one a C on the redneck sharp test. It sort of tried to pass, but it didn't quite work as good as I would like. But I'm sure that could be fixed real quickly with a little diamond stone. So anyway, they're giving this a $109 value. It has a 2.75 inch blade length, and it weighs 3.4 ounces. And it is a wow! It's just super smooth. So anyway, that is Battlebox Mission 74. Once again, thanks to the folks at Battlebox for sending me these every month so I can show them to you, and you can kind of develop a background of examples of what you might could expect. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a brand new video every Friday and every Saturday, and sometimes random videos like these throughout the week. If you want to make sure you don't miss a single one, just in case cancel culture catches up with me, I invite you to go to survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe. Get signed up for my weekly email newsletter. Every week I'll send you an email with stuff in it, links and stuff to videos and other stuff, and it'll give us a chance to stay connected in case I have to move my videos somewhere else. You can figure out where that is. So anyway, I really sincerely appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.